If you are looking for a new healthy and thick smoothie recipe to replace your ice cream cravings, look no further. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of frozen kiwi, 1 cup of frozen honeydew, and 1 cup of frozen bananas, 1/3 of a cup peanuts, and a splash of coconut milk. Additionally, for this smoothie, you can add pink potato powder, blue spirulina, and beetroot powder to add some fun colors and nutrition to your smoothie. Not only is this recipe delicious, but it's also incredibly healthy. Using frozen fruits rather than ice helps to create a thick and creamy consistency while also providing a healthy dose of vitamins and nutrients. The peanuts add some protein and healthy fats to the mix, while the coconut milk provides a rich and creamy flavor. For the toppings of the smoothie, I chose fresh dragon fruit, strawberries, and blackberries. Overall, this new smoothie recipe is an easy and healthy idea for your daily desserts. It is a great substitute for ice cream, and you can customize it with your favorite fruits and toppings. So next time you're craving something sweet, give this recipe a try and treat your body to a nutritious and delicious treat. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!